absolutely fabulous. Wow, lovely little bit of rain, and it will water the fan. Absolutely lovely. How nice is that? Absolutely beautiful. A lovely bit of rain, guys. You can't beat it. Absolutely excellent. Wow. You need this rain. Absolutely beautiful. Like I said, it's to give the plants a good water. So, we're on a Sunday and it's a rainy day, rainy afternoon. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, look at the sky. Someone's going to get wet. Wow, absolutely fantastic. Absolutely beautiful. Like I said, guys, it's been really hot. Really hot. You know, it's absolutely beautiful to see a lovely bit of rain. I hope all my friends and new subscribers, old subscribers are doing well. I hope you're all taking care. Happy Sunday, guys. Wow. And a good afternoon to Lee. Thanks for the support, Lee. Take care, God bless. I hope everything's fine back there in the UK. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Like I said, it's been so hot, we needed this rain. We actually needed this rain. Wow, it'll do the plants the world of good. So, lovely rain, guys. Absolutely spectacular. That's our little veg park. Some of the plants are doing really well. No, some are dying off. We've got new ones coming up. So it's absolutely fantastic. Absolutely lovely. How to save water. Wow, just look at that rain coming across. Wow. Rainy day. like the swallows are coming into land. Wow. Got a storm. Looks like a bad storm. We're going to have to shut the door. Wow. Wow. Like I said, bad. A little bad storm. I don't know where it's come from. Wow. Blown all the birds off the line. You can see the rain coming across, lightning, thunder. Wow. Wow. Oh, stormy afternoon. Not so bad now, guys. Having said it's not so bad, wow. A lot of rain still to come. So that's here. Beautiful rainy day here in Consilian. Not so bad now, guys. Looks like the rain's actually slowed down. So I don't know if that's it now. Oh, a lovely bit of rain. Few lightning flashes. Oh, it's back. We're back. This is the sugar cane, guys. These guys have been working out in the rain. So I'm going past this morning. They've been working all day in the sugar cane field. Oh, looks like they're off because it's raining. Don't know if they're back to work. Oh, they're off home. Wow, looks like it's not one of the plants over. It's not surprising. Wow, looks like it's back again. So, like I said, the swallows fly around in the sky. And I think they even sleep on the wing. So what it is now, guys, I think we've got rain on and off, which is absolutely lovely. And these guys, like I said, these are your sugarcane workers. So they're actually working hard in the fields. So, you know, it's either red hot or it's raining. Absolutely lovely. Hi guys, well we've had a lovely little storm, but we might get another one. But absolutely beautiful. You know, it's been so hot this last week or two, so this storm, it's really nice to get a nice storm. You know, a lovely little bit of rain. So like I said, guys, I hope everyone's fine and doing well. And all my old and new subscribers, I hope you're all doing well, guys. And thank you, Lee, for the support. Thank you, take care, God bless. So I'm just gonna have a little walk round and look at the plants. You know, I can see it's blown a few leaves down. So it's absolutely lovely now. It's really, the weather's really mild, so it's really nice. I think I've got a bit of problem, you know, I need to fill me absence in absence account. I think that's got to do with YouTube, so I've got to have a look at that, or get someone to help me fill it in, to be honest, you know, and just check, see if I'm monetized. So, you know, can't be that far away, I'm sure about that. Right guys, I'll have a little walk round and see what the rain's done to the plants. Right, take care, God bless. Absolutely fantastic, beautiful weather. It's lovely and mild. We've got a nice lovely breeze and it's not red hot. Absolutely gorgeous. Please like, please subscribe, please share the videos, make a comment. Oh, like I said, it's, you know, blowing a few leaves in. I'm sure a few leaves down. In fact, there's a mango up there. Ah, they're still there, look. So mangoes are still there. I don't know if you can see them on this phone, but there should be some mangoes up there. I'm sure these plants have got a good watering. Yeah, I'm sure they have. So at least it's good. Now you know what that is, don't you? Let me just take it down. Orchid. That's my orchid, look. Give it a good water, but it's obviously just had a nice good water. Same with that one. Take that off of there. Stick it in. It'll soon lose the water. Soon lose that water. Right. So what I've actually been doing today as well, guys. You'll see there. So you will actually see there them leaves. It's an herbal plant. So that's an herbal plant. And as you can see, I've been taking cuttings, left a few leaves on the top, because them big leaves are heavy and it doesn't need big leaves, needs to fire roots down. Right, so look at this. Looks like it's got a little bit heavy with the rain, so try and shake it off. Not so bad now, I've stood it up, but they're on the way out. They're nearly finished, these plants, you know. So that's it, look. I'll have a little walk, even though I've got holes in my shoes. So, even though I've got holes. That's what I did with this rice. This rice straw, look. Holds the moisture. Plants can grow on top on it. It does plants good. You know, it keeps bad insects, good insects underneath. Keeps moisture underneath as well. Stops the weeds coming up, and it actually does rot. It rots down and it feeds the soil. Wow, we still got plenty of fork lightning going off. So like I said, that's been absolutely lovely. You know, really lovely. Wow. Ooh. All the way across the sky. Wow. How nice is that? Absolutely fantastic. They like a bit of thunder and lightning here. Well, having said that, some people are scared of it. Wow. Looks like it's took that plant down, look. It's just how heavy it rain's been. But I'll have a look at them in a moment and I'll lift them up. But it's looking quite nice, this garden now. A little bit of a garden. This is what's been happening today and over the last couple of days, look. Votes. You know, vote. You can see actually, let's have a look. I'm afraid, don't know if you'll see that now. But that's what's been happening. You know, this young lady here, I'll tie that back. You know, she came past, I saw this young lady walk past, she waved, and they tied a banner on the fence, and there's been some guys here today, you know. Now, politics is not my cup of tea, I'm not going into politics, but that's what's been happening now. in this barangay and probably all the way around Mercia Concilian. That's what's happening. You know, they're all getting ready to vote. So that's what's happening, guys. Right, I'm going to actually tidy some of these plants up. And then I'm going to have a look at, you know, see if my settings are okay on my YouTube. So when it does come to it, I can actually get some type of revenue, some type of pay. So that's it, look. Jovelin, sorry store, absolutely lovely. I love to catch them lightning strikes, you know, absolutely fantastic. Right guys, take care, God bless. I don't know what we're doing today, but tomorrow morning I think we're heading into Mercia, try and sort my YouTube, you know, my settings for my YouTube channel. Right, so I'm going to have a walk around these plants in a moment and straighten them, some of them up. Absolutely fantastic. Looking quite nice now, guys. I think we've seen most of it rain, and I think I've got an ant bite in my foot, so I think we're off. Take care, God bless. Beautiful day. Beautiful country, Concilian. Absolutely spectacular. Even though we do get some mourning about we have to collect water from the well because it's hard work. Wow, look at them chickens here. You know, every day I see that mama with her little chicks, and I'm not joking, every day them chicks get bigger and bigger, and you can notice it. They're a 48-day chicken, eating chicken, so they just grow rapidly fast. Right guys, we're off. Lovely day. Happy weekend, happy weekend. Tomorrow, Monday. Lovely rainwater, beautiful, fresh, clear rainwater. Absolutely gorgeous. Hi guys, look what I found. It's a chick. I found her actually at the back here, so she's at the back. Now, is she being coloured?
Yes.
What they do with these chicks, guys, is they dye them this colour,
Yeah.
so the kids buy them. So I don't know if it belongs to the kid over the fence, but she was stuck. She was actually stuck in the wire, so that's her, look. Little chick. So I don't know what we're going to do here. Got nowhere to put her.
What color is that?
Pink.
Red.
She's like a pinky purple. That's what she's like. Right, she's off.
That's a foreigner chick.
Yeah, she need a bit of food.
With a
And then I don't know
hair
what we're going to
color.
do here. Because we ain't got nowhere to put her. And if she don't get food, she'll just die.
Yeah.
Right.
It eats
Right,
rice.
Jovelin, you can dock.
See?
Yeah.
Okay. Like and subscribe.
That's
Thanks
it.
for watching.